Hello again, this is our fourth session using Neumann V2 platform. We'll be adding a data repeater. So we'll consider the training document we edited. Now we go to data controls. Okay, and we have the data repeater. We drag and drop it in the second column of the third line. We select the same data box. Okay, we click on the box. We select the default properties, the layout. We select tabular, and now we edit. We will select the filter field as city display, back. We will expand the main menu, go to actions, manage data instance, inspect the data repeater, manage fields, add fields, and we will add the amount 1, 2, and the 3 amounts. Okay, now we will access the first amount and we'll put the aggregation as sum, close. The second amount, we put the aggregation as sum, close. The third amount, put the aggregation as sum, close, back. Now we will select the title of the table. We will delete it, we don't need it. The cell, using up arrow to delete the cell, and the second cell using the up arrow, deleted. Now we will add, instead of adding cell, we'll add rows. So we'll add 3 rows. Now we go to actions. We go to data field. We go to data repeater. Click on city. The field copied to clipboard. So we double click on cell, select it, and paste. Now we click on the amount. Double click on the cell, paste. Now we click on the amount 1, same, and we click on the amount 2, same, sorry. Now we click on the city, we go to Open Style Manager, Typology, and we put the weight as bold. Now we go back to layout. We drag and drop a table. We'll put 4 rows, create. Okay, I should have created a table of 1 column and 3 rows, but we'll take this chance to explain how to delete rows and cells. So I select the first cell, I use the arrow up, and the second time, now the whole row is selected, I will delete it. As for the cell, I will select up to delete the cell. I will do the same for all, because I will be needing only 1 column and 4 rows. Okay, and in this case we'll do the same. Okay, now for this cell I will put city, and I will go to typology, to the Open Style Manager, typology, and the weight I will put bold. Sorry, I should select the city before. Okay, typology, and now I will put bold. Same for this one, I will put amount, and here I will put amount 1. Now also here I will put amount 2. Now for this amount I will put also bold. For this amount also I will put bold, and for this amount also I will put bold. Now I will go to the box, editor, and here I will rename the data repeater 1, go back, save the document, save and close, run the document. We can see the grid, the trend chart, and the data repeater. Now I need to have the data repeater in rows and not in one column. So I will close, re-edit the document, wait until it's loaded. So we edit the document. Now we edit the data repeater and we select the horizontal mode. For the horizontal mode we need to delete these cells since we do not need them. Also these cells. Okay, now we save and close the document. We run the document. We have the grid, the trend chart, and we have our data repeater horizontal mode where we can see the city, بعبدة بيروت بشاري صيدا Tripoli, the amount of each of the cities, the amount 1 also of each of the city, and the amount 2 of each of the city. We close the document, and this will conclude our fourth session. Thank you.